Hello there! Welcome to Beginning Reading 1. Today we are going to learn the sounds of letters D, R, and T. Before we start the lesson, let's have a warm up first by singing the ABC song.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Wow! You have a wonderful voice. Now, let's start. Are you ready? Great! Now, let's have a review. Do you still remember the sounds of letters A, B, and C? Now, I want you to say the sound of each letter. Look. What is the sound of letter A? Great! Ah, ah, ah. Look, the letter. What is the sound of letter B? Awesome! B, b, b. What is the sound of letter C? Wonderful! K, k, k. Great! You have a star! Listen and answer. What is the beginning sound of each picture? Ant. Ant. You're right. The correct answer is letter A. Candy. Candy. Awesome! The correct answer is letter C. Bag. Bag. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter B. Now, let's begin. Are you ready? Yes, that's great. Okay, look and say, what can you see in the picture? What letter can you see? Great! It's letter D. The sound of letter D is D, 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 D. Now it's your turn. Wow! Great! D is for dog. dog. D is for dad. Dad. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. Now it's your turn. D is for dog. Great. D is for dad. Good job. D is for dinosaur. Fantastic. Look, I have another letter. What can you see? You are correct. It's letter R. Letter R sounds R, 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 R. Now it's your turn. Great! R is for rat. Rat. R is for rag. Rag. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Now it's your turn. R is for rat. R is for rag. R is for rabbit. Fantastic! I can see another letter. What can you see? You are correct. It's letter T. Letter T sounds T, 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 T. Now it's your turn. Great! T, T. T is for 10. 10. T is for teeth. Teeth. T is for tomato. Tomato. Now it's your turn. T is for 10. T is for teeth. T is for tomato. Perfect! Activity time! What is the sound of letter D? Perfect! D, D. What is the sound of letter R? Awesome! R, R. What is the sound of letter T? Magnificent! T, T. Now let's read. A, T, A, T, at. Now it's your turn. Perfect. B, at, B, at, bat. Now it's your turn. Great. K, at, K, at, cat. It's your turn. R, at, R, at, rat. It's your turn. Wow, wonderful! Now repeat after teacher. Bat, cat, rat. Wonderful! Now let's read the following sentences. I see a bat. I see a cat. I see a rat. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. I see a bat. I see a cat. I see a rat. Wow! That's great! And because of that, you have an ice cream from teacher! Yay! You did a very good job today! Have a great time! And see you next time! Goodbye!